When I was a 29-year-old kid, I got elected to the United States Senate out of nowhere on November the 7th. And I was down in Washington hiring my staff, and I got a phone call. Someone walking up to me. You just knew, didn't you? You knew when they walked up the path. You knew when the call came. You knew. You just felt it in your bones. And I knew. I don't know how I knew. But the call said that my family had been in an accident. My wife was dead. My daughter was dead. And I wasn't sure how my sons were going to make it. So many people who had losses as severe or worse than mine and didn't have the incredible support I have. I have such an incredible family. The loss is serious and it's consequential, but there's so many other people going through this. Think of all the people you know who are going through horrible things, and they get up every morning and they put one foot in front of the other. The best way to bear loss and pain is to turn that anger and anguish into purpose. I know so many Americans are suffering loss of a loved one, suffering economic hardship. The country is crying out for leadership. Leadership that can unite us, leadership that brings us together, leadership that can recognize pain and deep grief of communities, but it begins with healthcare. Healthcare should be a right, not a privilege. The quickest route to universal coverage in this country is to expand on Obamacare. We can do it, we should do it. But this president, even now, in the midst of a public health crisis with massive unemployment, as well, wants to destroy it. But I promise you this, I won't traffic in fear and division. I won't fan the flames of hate. I'll seek to heal the racial wounds that have long plagued our country, not use them for political gain. It's been our purpose from the very beginning to become a nation where all men and women are not only created equal, but they're treated equally. For that's what the presidency is, the duty to care for all of us. Not just those who vote for us, but all of us.